Well, we just got back from doing our part of a public art piece in good old Montreal, and I can't wait to tell you about it. So let's get into it. The lead artist on this project was my Foundie McLeod, and the project was commissioned by the National Bank in downtown Montreal. And we received our specs, our renderings, and the green light, so it's time to build. We always start structural, and in this case we have our 10-inch grid over a 2x2 hollow structural steel. That's how we get our shape. And now that we're happy with that shape, we can move to our strength coat. We make that from our polyfiber reinforced concrete blend. Once complete, we can move on to our texturing or finish coat. This mix is designed to let us shape, blend, stamp, and it takes great impressions. Brushing to blend, shaping with our trowel, and I use a roller to get the surface ready for the stamps. All our stamps are from real rock formations, so you really get a fantastic realistic texture. And then we carve and create continuity with our lines, and you'll see how important that becomes at an install. We were all pretty happy with the results, so we separated these into 4 pieces, making it easy to ship, and we hit the road. Once we hit site, our friends from Broccolini had the pedestal waiting for us, and then they even helped us get it into place, which was no small feat. The seams go together with the lath, and then some more strength coat, or PPFRC if we want to get technical. All our cement formulas are proprietary and developed with a purpose. When applying this coat, we make sure that we follow our, or even enhance our shape and stay true to the overall look and feel of that volcanic rock formation designed by the artist. This is where those carved lines that I mentioned were important. In the shop, they're so important to bring the whole thing together. I call this mapping. So finishing the seams to match is fun but easy work. Shaping, stamping, each layer of the rock becomes one. Carvel Creative got the bird in place, but unfortunately the temperature dropped, so Broccolini made us this kick-ass shanty and keep us warm while we work. And then we repeat the process around the feet. Like before, steel, lath, strength coat, and finishing coat, and then this time we painted to bring it all together. As mentioned, the Dodo was from volcanic rock regions, so you'll notice that we used a fair bit of black in our finishing. We even used some integral black into our concrete itself. We always protect finishes near our work, but sometimes you gotta pull that tape away, and you need to do a little bit of touching up with a fine brush. And luckily for us, Ethan's got those steady hands. Standing 20 feet, and frankly, always following me with its eyes, the Song of the Dodo is here to be a memorial to a species lost through ignorance and prejudice. The artist implores us to celebrate diversity, leaving behind our intolerances. Let's take one final look without the shanty. I thought it looked pretty good. And there you have it. Wonderful and very different for us to do. But big thanks to every company involved, and especially for including us. That's all I got for you today. Until next time, I'm Sean Mangan, and we're Rock Inc.